Hi, and welcome to Live Kabbalah Online School. LiveKabbalah.com is a lifestyle brand and multimedia platform designed to provide an innovative and immersive Kabbalah experience. With world-class content curated for all levels, Live Kabbalah aims to revolutionize the world's most profound philosophical study through an authentic, accessible, and experiential lens. Based out of Tzfat, Israel, the city where Kabbalah was studied and taught for hundreds of years, Live Kabbalah School's mission is to spread these teachings to the world. In addition to the profound classes and courses, Live Kabbalah is a community of spiritually growing individuals. Mentorship is provided to assist students in their journeys, bringing real transformation, healing, and peace to their lives. There are over 200 classes delivered with passion and optimism in a friendly, down-to-earth tone with quality content, clear course materials, professional delivery, and outstanding user experience. Students can log into a sea of knowledge from the comfort of their homes on desktop, mobile, or our new app. Live Kabbalah School is divided into 3 parts: Kabbalah Academy, Master Classes, and Kabbalah and Me. Some of the classes in Level 1 of Kabbalah Academy include Intro to Kabbalah, Reasons for Creation, the 5 levels of soul, surrounding an inner light, the 4 spiritual worlds, a series for women, goal setting, healthy living, habit building, leadership, and much more. In Kabbalah Academy Level 2, we delve deeper into the 10 Sefirot, divine names, the essence of prayer, and other deep Kabbalah subjects. The Masterclass series is a profound textual study of classical Kabbalah texts. Some of the texts include teachings on the Zohar, the Arizal, the Ramak, Chesed LaAvraham, Baal Shem Tov, the Alter Rebbe, and much more. The Kabbalah and Me distills deep concepts and brings them down in a practical and applicable way to our lives. In addition, there are more than 70 recorded live-streamed webinar classes, which are uploaded weekly from Live Kabbalah's live Thursday night classes. We're very excited to now be offering an immersive semester learning program, which focuses on different transformative topics, combining interactive and live recorded classes, guest speakers, meditations, and amazing workbooks. Tap into the purpose of existence, be a part of a global community, and bring personal transformation, healing, and peace into your life and into the world. Be a part of our community. Become a Live Kabbalah student today.